Okay, woman, here's my little camping trailer. It's got all my camping equipment in it, so we have my party. Oh, snake skin that we found a few days ago. Here is the bed area. Just haven't been in here in a while. Everything works. There's the bathroom. Oh, got my tools there. Everything works. Shower works. Air conditioning works. Heater works. Stove works. Not sure about the oven, but this is it. Counter space. Shelf space. Closet space. Whoop whoop. Another tent. Anyway, hope you like it. Would love to have you come down here. Woohoo.